All right. Here we go. This is a new 2013 Prizm Jumbo Hobby Box number 7, 11/14 Eastern Standard Time. And here is everybody in the break. All right. We got to turn it up. He goes, Jordan, read me one time. All right, here we go. Yeah, we did hit a Jordan Reed right after you left. We need a monster. What was our first monster, though, Stevie? That's my big question. Was it a Josh Boyce? That is a nice hit, though. Little Jay Boyce going to Jamie R. Get you on there. Here's Mike Williams. That is 1 out of 40. Here's a Torrey Smith. Baltimore, not numbered. Baltimore way down there. OHM, man. There you go. Travis Kelce. Travis Kelce, get out of my face, dude. We'll just again, we're gonna have to find out what the next break is. Get him. He's surfing online right now. It's Manti Te'o. Gong, get it. San Diego. Chase P. And then D-Mac. It's going to be cut to 15. 12 out of 15. You never know. He could step up. He could do something. Isn't somebody hurt for San Diego's defense? And then now Teo's got like the weird thing in there. Anyway, Matt Elam, rookie, not numbered. Going to Baltimore. Oh, I thought it was going to be a Geo. It's not. It's Andrew Hawkins. Oh, actually, you know what? That might actually be worth a little bit. Going to New Orleans, or I'm sorry, yeah, New Orleans. That's going to New England. There you go, Jamie. Hey, that's a nice Brady. 30 out of 40. That's actually a pretty solid card. It's tough to get your hands on those ones, so that's a nice little Brady. Here comes another. Jarius Wright. Going to Minnesota. MTL Hawk. Good to see him back. Here's Andre Ellington. Another purple guy. 23 out of 40. Lamar Miller. One of the Pulsar guys. Last pack here out of Lucky Box number 7. Tyler Bray. Come on, dude. That's going to KC. Who's got KC? Way down there. Bono, 539. And then a Jared Allen. So nothing wild out of that box either. We need to get it. Okay, guys. Do we do something with 2012 Absolute in the mixer? Because you know